D over here with D's Roads. So I want to talk to you all about the 5 things that I've learned car camping over the last 2 years as a weekend warrior. I don't live in my car full time. I just take a lot of weekend trips and sometimes extended trips. If I was full time, I might want some of these things that I'm about to talk about. Who knows, maybe not. So the first thing that I've learned car camping over the last 2 years is to stop holding my bladder. When nature calls, I now answer, especially true at night and mornings. If I gotta go, I gotta go. I'm not sitting around waiting. Number 2, I don't need a portable toilet. So I bought a portable toilet when I first started car camping, and I would put it in between the front seat and the back seat and try to squat down in that little area. That did not work out. I can't tell you how many times I caught Charlie horses trying to use that thing in the back seat. If I leave it, it's a collapsible toilet. And if I leave it uncollapsed and up in the back seat, it takes up so much space that I could be using for better things. If I collapse it and only use it when I need it, then what I have to do is to put the little trash bin inside that I got from Dollar Tree. Then I put a compostable bag inside of it, because I have had an instance where I just used the bag by itself without the little Dollar Tree tiny bathroom trash can, and it leaked, and it was disgusting, gross. And also, it's not very discreet to have to like dump a bag of poop or pee into a trash can. So what I use instead is I use a little coffee container. I can put that in my bathroom bag and dump it in the toilets when I go clean up or use the bathroom for number 2s. And the nice thing about the coffee container, I can easily dump it. I can put it in a little bag, take it into the bathroom with me, dump it in the toilet, wash it out real good. It leaves no odor. I don't have to worry about anything leaking because it seals up. And I only use it for urine. I don't use it to poop unless there's an extreme emergency. Then I may have used it, but then if I do, I just empty it. And I always have a spare coffee container with me just in case I do run into an incident where I have to poop. And so then I immediately get rid of that coffee container. Number 3, I do not use a fridge or a cooler. Instead, what I do is I bring things that are non-perishable. So things like oatmeal, rice, lentils, water, canned tuna, canned chicken, pancake mix where you just add water, pasta, sofrito, jarred spaghetti sauce, low sodium canned vegetables and beans, hazelnut spread, soup, things like that. And then I also make sure I bring with me fresh veggies and fresh fruit, bananas, oranges, apples, broccoli, onions, sweet potatoes. And then if I run out of something, or maybe if I want to add some meat to my meal that's not from a can, I just run to the nearest grocery store and only buy what I'm going to consume that day, so nothing goes bad. Number 4, I don't need a fancy bed setup. 2 camping foam mats work just fine for me. I know that's not for everybody, so if you don't like sleeping on a harder surface, then I wouldn't recommend that for you. But if you don't mind sleeping on a harder surface, give it a try. The foam camping pads are pretty cheap. And if you need something extra underneath, you can always put sleeping bags or comforters underneath those or underneath yourself. That way you have a little bit more soft support underneath you. Number 5, I don't need a water faucet or one of those loud water pumps. Instead, I use that USB rechargeable portable water dispenser. I put that on top of a 5-gallon water jug. If I'm doing a short trip and I don't need 5 gallons worth of water, I just kind of shimmy it a little bit to make it fit on a 1-gallon or a 3-gallon water jug. And my bonus tip, I've learned that I can save in 2 years $5,000 just by car camping and not staying at hotels. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Come back on the next one. Have a good day. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Say bye-bye, Sky. Bye. She's like, would you stop? Bye.